These exhaust stacks just stretch 23 feet higher into the sky to help clear the air below for workers in Hanford's C Tank Farm,
where we've got several underground tanks holding high-level nuclear waste, and these tanks have to breathe.
C Farm is made up of 16 underground tanks in a bowl that's 15 feet below grade level. The original exhaust stacks released emissions right about the same height as the control trailer. Back in late January and February of 2010, some workers complained about smelling vapors. Some had symptoms like watery eyes, throat irritation, or a metallic taste in the mouth. The monitoring results showed all the chemical vapors in C Farm were well below the levels believed to be harmful. Still, twice work was stopped. Efforts to make improvements started.
We are concurrently conducting a benchmark study of our medical surveillance program. It is good. We want to see if we can make it better. We are calling on our counterparts with the NASA medical program. We're also tapping universities across the country and evaluating our medical protocols, seeing if there's things we can in fact do better.
By August, the exhaust stack extensions were in place, carbon filters had been added to buildings, and workers have a wide array of respiratory equipment available for them to choose from.
We can't eliminate the vapors completely, but we can take reasonable steps to dissipate the vapors to make it so that hopefully people can't even smell them at all.
Retrieving nuclear waste from Hanford's aging single-shell tanks is key to protecting the environment. Ensuring that Hanford workers are safe is key to the Office of River Protection and its contractors.